Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial and thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new here, click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that anytime we have a new upload, you'll get notified. Today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to crochet the crunch stitch. It's a very beautiful stitch and easy to work with. It has the same texture on both sides. We are working in rows. And I hope you're going to enjoy this tutorial to the end. If you're new here, click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that anytime we have a new upload, you'll get notified. And for the returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to support. Let's get started. Okay, so today I'm going to use a 4mm crochet hook and a medium weight yarn. This is Winter King, a Kenyan brand, and it's 100% acrylic. So we begin by making a slip knot, and we're going to make a foundation chain of any odd number. So I'll be chaining 25 in total. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. I'll meet you when I have 25 to show you the next step. Alright, so I have 25 chains. We skip the first chain from the hook and go into the second chain with a half double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook in that second chain and make a half double crochet. In the next chain, we are going to make a slip stitch. In the next, a half double crochet. In the next, a slip stitch. So you yarn over, pull through and through the loop on your hook, then make a half double crochet in the next chain, then a slip stitch in the next chain, a half double crochet in the next. So we are going to alternate between half double crochet and slip stitches until we get to the last chain. And as you make your slip stitches, do not make your tension too tight so that you don't find it hard to work on them in the next row. And if you have, if your tension is tight naturally, use a bigger hook size than the recommended one for the yarn that you are using. So the next one is a half double crochet, slip stitch, half double crochet, slip stitch, half double crochet, slip stitch, half double crochet, and we finish the row with a slip stitch. Okay, so if you started with 25 chains as my foundation chain, you'll have 24 stitches in total. Okay, so chain one, this chain one is a turning chain, so turn to begin your next row. So we start with a half double crochet, yarn over. In the first stitch, insert your hook, grab yarn and make a half double crochet. In the next chain and the next stitch, we're going to make a slip stitch. In the next, a half double crochet. So the stitch that was a half double crochet, you make a slip stitch on top of that stitch, and the one that was a slip stitch, you make a half double crochet on top of that stitch. So basically that is what we are doing in this crunch stitch pattern. Half double crochet, slip stitch, half double crochet, slip stitch, half double crochet, slip stitch. So it's very easy to make, and it makes very nice and beautiful scarves, blankets, sweaters, ponchos, and even beanie hats. So you can try it out and tag us on the finished products to see how beautiful they turn out. And when you get to the last stitch, make a slip stitch. So you start with a half double crochet and end with slip stitch, then chain one to turn, and repeat the pattern until you master it. So the last stitch is a slip stitch, then you chain one and turn to begin a new row with a half double crochet. So make as many rows as possible until you have mastered the pattern. And guys, I really appreciate your support. Thank you for those who are sharing my tutorials, and also thank you for not skipping the ads. Please, that is the only way I make some revenues from these tutorials. Keep on supporting. You can as well send a super thanks, and also join my premiers so that you can share some super chats. I do appreciate your support, and guys, I don't take this for granted. So I've done several rows, and you can see how this stitch looks like. Very beautiful. I'm actually going to try with a scarf, and I'll be sharing the tutorial very soon. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial up to this point. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share, and leave a sweet comment in the comment section. Until next tutorial, bye.